XML is the backbone of the web. It looks like code, but it's just structured data. You can view it in any web browser or edit it with a code editor. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's look at the syntax. I've reserved the ultimate tool for the end. It's the kind of magic application that knows how to handle almost any XML file. Let's try the simple solutions first. We must consider the XML file a member of the proprietary text file structure. It uses the XML file format. The XML, Extensible Markup Language, file is an industry-standard text format used for encoding documents in a way that is both human-readable and machine-readable. It functions as a generic data structure for web services, configuration files, and data exchange. Governed by the W3C, the format is defined by user-created tags. Its integrity relies entirely on being well-formed, correctly nested tags, and valid, adhering to a DTD or schema. While it can be opened by Macromate's TextMate, any small error in the structure will render the entire file invalid. Most installations default to associating Macromate's TextMate from Macromates with XML. The operating system provides little information on the file's internal components. Windows provides straightforward support for reading and modifying text files. We'll begin by checking potential openers. Right-click the XML file and click Open With. If Macromate's TextMate is present, use that first. If it's missing, select another program. A quick test will reveal the right app. When your XML file does not open, it is usually a small issue. A format as specific as XML will always reject general methods. We must verify these key parameters on our checklist before attempting a guaranteed solution. First, use Text Editor as browser. Open the file using a code editor, VS Code, or drag the file into a web browser to view the structured text and check for basic errors. Next, validate the structure. Use an online XML validator to ensure the document contains correct closing tags and adheres to its DTD schema. Finally, check encoding, check headers. Ensure the file begins with the correct header, and that the file is saved with the UTF-8 encoding. If your efforts show the XML file is uniquely complex, it needs a utility that deliberately ignores system-level protocol. This advanced tool is the right remedy to try now. File Magic is the secret weapon for a reason. Its powerful feature set includes instantly viewing the raw contents of the XML file, even if Windows misidentifies the extension. Get your copy now at filemagic.com. Thanks to everyone who has already subscribed. If you haven't, please click to subscribe and join us. Keep your skills sharp, and thanks for learning with me.